Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to favorite a Pokemon in Pokemon GO. Favoriting a Pokemon in Pokemon GO helps prevent accidental transfer and lets you easily organize your best catches. To do that, open up the Pokemon GO app on your mobile device. Now tap the Pokeball icon at the bottom center of the screen. From the menu, tap on Pokemon. Scroll through your list and tap the Pokemon you want to favorite. On the Pokemon's profile page, tap on the star icon at the top right corner. The star will turn orange, and then this indicates that the Pokemon is now marked as a favorite. This helps protect your Pokemon from accidentally being transferred, makes it easier to find your top Pokemon for battles, evolutions, or trades. So that's how you can easily favorite your Pokemon like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.